Hey guys, welcome back to Simplify Mechanic. My name's Thomas. Today we're looking at a 2013 Hyundai Elantra. Customer stated there's a steering wheel issue, hearing some noise. Once he said that, and knowing it's this car or a Kia, and when they say that, I know exactly what it is. It's the quickest diagnosis in the world. So let's go ahead and start the car. All right, we got the car started. Listen to this noise here. You can even see it jerking the steering wheel. It is a $5 piece, maybe $10. It's a steering wheel coupler. It's about this big and it's shaped like a star. I'll put it right here. It's like $5, $10 for the part, and it's about $250 labor. It's inside the power steering motor. So if you're hearing this noise, especially if you're in a Kia and a Hyundai, it is the steering wheel coupler. And that, my friends, is the fastest diagnosis I have ever done. Plus, it's another tip from your favorite mobile mechanic. And like we always say, simplify. Till next time.